In this video, we will study what are prokaryotes and eukaryotes, what are the differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. Prokaryotes includes bacteria, blue-green algae, and archaebacteria. Prokaryotes are usually made up of single cell, that is, they are unicellular. Now this is the bacteria, and these are eukaryotic cells. Now living beings, maybe plant cells, animal cell, and fungi cells, they are included under eukaryotes. Now this is the plant cell, this is the animal cell, this is also animal cell. So they are included under eukaryotes. In both the cases, whether they are prokaryotes or eukaryotes, DNA is the genetic material in both the cases. Then ribosomes, they are 70S type in case of prokaryotes and they are 80S in case of eukaryotes. Ribosomes, basically, they are formed on the nucleolus in the form of ribosomal RNA, and this form ribosomes. Ribosomes, they are 70S in case of prokaryotes and 80S in case of eukaryotes. As is sedimentation coefficient, usually ribosomes, they have smaller subunit and bigger subunit. During protein synthesis, they get associated to form ribosomes. Here also in eukaryotes, ribosomes. Basically, they help in protein synthesis. Major difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes is, in case of prokaryotes, well-defined nucleus is lacking. Only DNA is present in a circular form. Here, this is the DNA. So DNA is not showing any organization in the form of chromosome. It is not present inside the nucleus. This is lying naked in the cytoplasm, and this is not showing association with histone proteins. So this is also called as nucleoid. But in case of eukaryotes, this is present in a well-defined nucleus. Now this is the nuclear membrane having nuclear pores. This is nucleolus, and these are chromatin reticulum network. If we enlarge this chromatin reticulum network, this is present in the form of a chromosome. On the chromosome, DNA is present in a linear form, and this is also showing association with histone proteins. Now this is present in the form of well-defined nucleus, and here it is present in the form of nucleoid. Another difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes is membrane-bounded cell organelles are lacking in case of prokaryotes, but they are present in case of eukaryotes, like endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, mitochondria. If we talk about plant cells, like this is the chloroplast, which is found in the plant cell. So this is the diagram of the plant cell. So membrane-bounded cell organelles are not found in prokaryotes, but they are found in case of eukaryotes. We can see in this diagram, this is the animal cell, and this is the plant cell. This part is endoplasmic reticulum. Here also this is endoplasmic reticulum. This is Golgi bodies, mitochondria, peroxisomes. So these are the cell organelles which are found in case of eukaryotic cells. We can see here, this is again an animal cell. This is nucleus surrounded by endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, mitochondria. If we talk about plant cells, they will also have chloroplasts. So this is the difference between animal cell and plant cell. Animal cell is not bounded by cell wall. This is bounded by a plasma membrane, but here it is bounded by a cell wall. So this is difference between animal and plant cell. So there are three differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes, major differences. One is nucleus is circular. This is present in the form of a nucleoid. And here this is present in the form of well-defined nucleus. Ribosomes, they are 70S type. Ribosomes, they are 80S type. Then membrane-bounded cell organelles, they are not found in prokaryotes, but they are found in eukaryotes. Mostly prokaryotes, they are unicellular, they are made up of single cell. But eukaryotes, they may be unicellular, they may be multicellular. Example is fungi, yeast, then some of the members of algae. They are unicellular, all other are multicellular. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe.